So the first attempt to use this machine was a big fail. So this coffee maker or coffee machine came in the apartment. Never used it before. There were actually some pods in the house that they left me, which I haven't. I tried to use it, but it was a big fail. As I said, didn't work out. So I said I want to try again, or at least Caitlin is going to try. Right, so I've got me some pods. I've got Starbucks creamy vanilla flavored coffee, and I've got some decaf coffee. So this is Colombian decaf pods. Ooh. Right, so we're gonna try again. Our Caitlin is gonna try. I will see how this goes. All right, failure or success. Yes, but we never video it. Failure or success, we will post it this time. Caitlin is home from school because she's not very well. So we're just doing some things in the house today, like this. Let's plug her in.
Which one should I look first?
This.
Okay.
You know what? We probably should have tried one of the old pod them first. I'm gonna want. Okay. Just in case. So I'm gonna waste some good pods them. So we're gonna try one of the pods that was left in the house, right? Yeah, so we got some Nespresso pods.
Music draws me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never alone.
Just wait.
Boy, my good. Ah, okay.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul.
So I'm gonna warm some milk because this is the milk I like for my coffee. So I'm gonna warm some milk to just use in it. Because you know, you pour cold milk in the coffee now, it's going to make it, you know, cold. So I don't want that, so I warm in my milk. So that's that there, and then we're ready. So you're gonna do the decaf.
for my hand. So tight, coming closer.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes.
Time to make the Starbucks.
I think you can also do this.
Yeah, I could have put in something up there. So when we done, we put it up there.
You shall find a it's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You have to make it. Vibe killer. Me and no go take shit. Vibe killer.
So we know I feel fancy. So guys, when I want to feel fancy, I'll use my coffee maker. Caitlin asked me say if me still I go make regular coffee. I say sometime we'll make that. But for now, I'm gonna use this.
Finish?
Vibes on vibes. I'm taking dynamite. I play up and don't light. You know I'm just that.
I wanna be